Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account cannot be created at this time. If you're using any iPhone or any other iOS device and you're trying to create your new Apple account but you're having the issue that your account cannot be created at the time, so let's see how can you fix your issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a strongest Wi-Fi connection or cellular connection, or you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode or switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular. And after that you just have to go to your settings, then go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then you have to go back and here go for software update, and you have to try to update your software. If you have any pending update, try to update your software. Then you have to go back again and go for screen time section, and from here you have to go to content and privacy restriction, and you have to make sure that you haven't any enabled restrictions. You have to disable the toggle to disable all the restrictions on your phone. Once you have done, you have to retry to create your Apple ID, or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open your settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode and then select reset the setting from the pop-up menu section. In this way, if there will be any network issue or network error of your phone, so it will be fixed in this step, and after that it might be that your issue will be fixed and you will be able to create your new Apple ID. So you have to go to settings and then go for the apps, then go for contacts, select content account, then select add new account, select iCloud, select create a new Apple account, and from here you will be able to create a new account. Or if you haven't any account logged into your phone, so you will get an option of here to create a new account. So if you are still having any issue to creating your account, so let's see how can you fix that. You have to look for Apple Support app in your phone, or you can use your browser and search for support.apple.com or search for Apple Support. Open the first website, you'll get this app interface. Select your device, it might be your iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS device. Select that, then you just have to go scroll down and look for the option of get support. Then select start now here, and here you have to look for the option of more, and then select Apple account or iCloud account or something like that. So for example, I'm going to select, you can find for iTunes store if you have in here, so select that option and then select continue, and here you will get the option of get more help. Select that, then select call us, and here you will get an contact number for your Apple support team. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to make a call and you will be contact to Apple support team member. you have you have to discuss your issue and you will get official support from there. So in this way you can easily fix if you're having an issue that your account cannot be created at this time. Thank you very much for watching the video, and the next video. Bye bye.